To add a custom token contract in Trust Wallet, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Navigate to the Wallet section and select the blockchain network that the token is based on, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen to add a new token. Select the option to add a custom token. Then enter the token contract address. You can find this address on the token's official website or by searching for it on a blockchain explorer. After entering the contract address, enter the token symbol in decimal places. The symbol is usually an abbreviation of the token's name, and the decimal places determine how many units of the token can be sent in a single transaction. Once you have entered the required information, tap the Save button to add the custom token to your wallet. The token will now appear in your wallet balance, and you can use it to send and receive transactions. It is essential to exercise caution when adding custom tokens, as some may be scams or have security vulnerabilities. Always verify the token contract address and symbol with the token's official website or community to ensure you are adding a legitimate token. Additionally, be aware of the risks associated with adding custom tokens, such as potential losses due to price volatility or contract bugs. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. And always do your own research before adding a custom token to your wallet. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely add custom token contracts to your Trust Wallet, giving you access to a wider range of cryptocurrencies and tokens.